Okay, well, this might be fun to watch. This is a demonstration of how many bees are actually coming and going from this hive. Right now, it might not look like a huge amount. It doesn't look overcrowded. They're not, they're coming and going freely. It may not look like a lot of bees. And this is near the end of the day, so most of the bees probably are coming back to the hive, but you never know. It could be just as many going out as there are coming in. Though at the end of the day, you do get some traffic coming in, or more traffic coming in than going out. But anyway, and sometimes you look at the hive and say, it doesn't look like a lot of bees. Then you plug up that entrance, the bottom entrance, if it's the only entrance, and then you'll see how many bees there really are coming and going. So let's just block it up and I'll show you. Being very careful not to squish any bees while I do this. There we go. Now let's give it a minute and watch how many bees pile up. Okay, so that was about a minute. And you can see them. There's a fair number of bees that are trying to get in. Now let's watch this when I take this out. There's more bees should probably come out too. And now, oh yeah, look at them all going in. And now we'll take a look at it from another angle. We'll look at it head on so you can see the bees getting clogged up and backing up and building up all around the hive. I couldn't find the words for that, but there you go. So this is this sort of a normal coming and going for this time of day. Let's block them up and see what happens. And just look at how many bees there are on the outside of the hive right now. Just a few. That's going to change real quick. I gotta be careful not to squish any bees when I do this. There we go. Okay, so that was about a minute. And so look at how many bees are milling about and trying to get into that hive after 1 minute of having their front door blocked. Now imagine that happening for 30 minutes. There's a lot of bees in these hives, even though it doesn't look like there's a lot of bees, because they're all out flying and doing their thing. You don't really notice them. You notice that.